we gotta talk about what I'm going to do about this scalp of mine. What I'm going to do to try to help control this dandruff that's going crazy on my scalp. Okay, welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the new subscribers that decided to join our rose garden while I was taking a hiatus. I thank you for being here. I welcome you. I hope you enjoy it here just like everybody else, and I hope you stick around. So if you're new to my channel, or if you're not new and you just, been right along, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you. So, lots to talk about here, but we're just gonna unpack just a little bit at a time while I get back into the swing of things and y'all get back into the swing of things with me. One of the things that's been going on is I've been having issues with my scalp. I don't know if any of you guys are following me on TikTok, but yeah, I did a little TikTok on just showing what my scalp was looking like and what I did at that time to try to help. My scalp was looking super duper crazy at that time because I had my hair in a protective style for almost a month, y'all. Almost a month. And if you know me, I don't know about any of y'all, but I can't do no month. I can barely do a week. So what I decided to do is, while I'm going through some of my health issues and a lot of the internal things going on that cause what's going on with my scalp situation, I need something to at least help me through my wash day week or the week after wash day. So I decided to take it back. I was a little curious. So I went on to, the good old Amazon, that they're raising prices on. I need to do what I need to do to, use some of them benefits as long as they deliver everything the way they're supposed to. Y'all, I had a problem even getting this delivered, but this is what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about. You may see royal oils, but in little writing underneath that, it says Head and Shoulders. Y'all remember Head and Shoulders? There's other videos on YouTube about Head and Shoulders, but I decided to try it for myself. Because why? Because I wanted to. So this particular collection here is the Royal Oils by Head and Shoulders. The active ingredient in this is pyrithione zinc. I hope I pronounced that correctly, but pyrithione zinc, which is used to fight dandruff, and that's what sis got going on. Okay, I may insert some clips so y'all can see what I'm talking about, but you're gonna see my hair right now as well. Let me know in the comments, do you fight dry scalp, dandruff? Do you have any other scalp conditions going on? Let me know in the comments. And what do you use as someone who fights dandruff? Now, don't get in the comments talking about, well, if I were you, I would use. Please don't do that. But if you don't know my entire history, don't go there. Don't talk about if I were you. Just say what you have used for yourself and what has worked for you in the past. Okay. So, anyway, this says it's made with coconut oil and apple cider vinegar. See, it claims to balance scalp and restore moisture, and this is made for curly and coily crowns, which is why I got it, because Head and Shoulders they got so many different collections. It's crazy, but I went for the one that I thought would work better for me. Okay, so there's 13.5 fluid ounces and 13.5 fluid ounces in the conditioner and 12.8 fluid ounces in the shampoo. Conditioner says it's a moisture renewal scalp balancing conditioner. The shampoo says sulfate-free shampoo. I appreciate that. And it claims to cleanse and rehydrate hair. We'll see about that. And the ingredients, there's a lot of things in here I can't pronounce. Now, that's kind of why this is even hard for me to try, because if you have seen my channel and what I normally use, I like to use products with ingredients I can pronounce. But look, just like when you go to the doctor and you wind up having to take medication like I do, something you really didn't want to do but you got to do, I may just have to use these chemicals at least, you know, maybe once a month. Or who knows, depending on what this does to my hair, to try to get my scalp under control in the meantime while we work on everything else going on internally with me. If you want to see what I think about this, once I put this in my hair, wash it out, put in the conditioner, put the conditioner in my hair, wash it out, see what my hair looks like and feels like and what I think, stay tuned. Okay, I'm in the middle of the first wash and I've only scrubbed with my fingertips. Y'all, I ended up using more than like a quarter size and that was highly way too much. I will say a little bit of this goes a long way and it suds up immediately. I don't have any scalp irritation, skin irritation, or eye irritation. It smells good. It's not stripping the oils, natural oils from my hands, which I enjoy. I like it so far. Now this first wash, let me get back to what I was doing. Y'all, I gotta say, I can't even lie about this. I like the shampoo so far. I really do. So this is nice and gentle. My hair does not feel stripped whatsoever. It still feels moisturized. There's no tingling at all. So if you're looking for tingle, that particular line of Head and Shoulders is not tingly. I'm sorry for the tingle fans. I'm a tingle fan, but hey, if it worked, that's all I really care about. But y'all, I am not mad. I am actually impressed. This is not irritating the side of my face. It smells good. It's just nice and fresh and smells clean, and it's not super fragrant where it's going to annoy you, you know, be just way too much. It's pleasant. Anyway, let me go ahead and go in with this conditioner. It's a washout conditioner, and I'll see what the directions say about how long to use it, but I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner. Now let me know if you've used this particular brand, this particular line of the brand, and their shampoo, or anything from the Royal Oils brand of Head and Shoulders. Let me know. Let me go ahead and go use this conditioner now. You see the smile on my face? I am impressed. Okay, Head and Shoulders. Okay. When I say I'm surprised, I'm just... no irritation. My hair smells good. The conditioner was nice and felt good in my hands. It was, you know, like a standard conditioner. The scent of it was stronger than the shampoo in my opinion. And I was starting to feel like, is the smell gonna get on my nerves? I mean, it smelled good, but when, you know, when it starts getting a little bit too strong, I'm like, hold up. I didn't ask for all that. But I did not use much. And the directions say just to apply to the hair and scalp and then wash out. No amount of time. So I just left it in long enough to finger comb my hair. Yes, I was able to run my fingers through my hair and detangle. So that tells you how much slip it gave me. All in all, I'm impressed. The directions say to use the products twice a week. I will not be using it twice a week. Now I'm saying that, but I also said I was going to go in with my deep conditioner. I will not be doing that. Y'all surprised? Yeah. Not in this wash day. I will not be doing that. Because I just kind of want to see what these products do by itself without putting deep conditioner on top of it. I want to see what, you know, what happens in the next couple days. I want to see if my scalp starts to flake in the next couple days. And it could, because just like any other regimen, you know, sometimes your scalp and your hair has to get used to it. We'll see. Battery's getting ready to die. That's it. If you enjoyed this, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you didn't so much, but you support me, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Other than that, I'll talk to you later, roses.